Hey guys, this is UST Gaming, here with my computer build. So pretty much what it is, it's an AMD Goddarby processor with the MSI graphics card and some 8GB RAM. So that's pretty much it, and I have an NZXT case. And here's Sony Vegas that I use to edit my videos. I'm currently editing my second Minecraft survival video. And as you can see, down here, I have Fraps, Photoshop, Handbrake that I use to turn my videos into MP4s to make it easier to upload. So that's pretty much my setup. I think that's pretty much it. I'll leave my link down to my computer build in the description of this video.